How often really should you be changing your furnace filter? This is tip number 47 in your 100 tips for the first 100 days of 2023. And you're not going to hear it from me. You're going to hear it from an expert, Aaron Bay from LB Home Heating. Okay, Aaron, how often should we be changing our furnace filter?
All right, if you have the thin 1-inch filters, it should be once a month. And if you have the thicker ones, check them every 4 to 6 months.
All right, and how about the if you have a home humidifier, how often should you be changing that?
Yeah, there's a water panel in there, and that should be at the beginning of every heating season. So once a year.
Once a year. All right, thanks.